Alright, I want to talk today about this charging scale by Mastercool. Pretty cool unit, and I don't know if you guys are using this, but I definitely recommend it. Now, this is for R600 and 290. So we have R600 here, and of course 290. So isobutane, but when you're charging with a scale like this, everything is pretty precision. So you have to make sure that you're able to weigh in the charge precisely. The other gauges are not as accurate. You're not going to get the charge that you need. Now, probably should be charging in grams because it's a little more precise. You're going to get a better charge. So just want to go over this real quick. Pretty cool kit, actually. Comes with your batteries, of course your adapter, your hose, your instructions. Read them. So I would start with getting your batteries in. Now, a couple things to note. When your batteries are getting low, once you see it over there getting low, change your batteries. Another thing, don't leave your batteries in. When you're done, remove your batteries so that you don't have an accidental turn on and your unit stays on. Now, this unit will stay on for about 3 hours and then it will turn off. But you don't want to do that because, of course, it shortens the life of your battery and also the life of your machine when it's not being used. Of course, it tells you which way, but go against the springs. All right, to turn this thing on, you got your power button, tar weight, or tar. It will go to 0. All right. Now, depending on the weight you're weighing, if you're going in, you have the arrow that says what's in gram. Hit it again. Goes to ounces. We're going to go in grams. Make sure that it is on the pads level. Now you have this adapter, comes in a kit. It goes on here. Snug it. Don't over tighten, just nice and snug. This end will connect here. I like to keep this on even when I'm not using it. It protects the Schrader. Don't cross thread anything. And by the way, you do have a rubber gasket and it's almost like a flare, so you don't have to go crazy over tightening. Everything is finger tight. Okay, snug, not crazy. Same thing here. That's your on and off. That's off when it's this way, allowing refrigerant to flow. So leave it off for now. Now, what you want to do when you're getting ready to, you would press and 0 the scale. Now, when you're going to add your refrigerant, what you're going to do, because when you're charging it's like this, and your scale will be upside down, so you're going to get a little bit of vapor in it, and when you turn it back down you'll get some gas. Now, what you want to do, you want to hold this. Make sure you're not cross-threading it, which you can see it leaning. So make sure your threading is right. Okay, a little bit of gas, vapor. Now, to purge the system, you're going to open this and you will release just some, just until you get all your air out of your line. This can is pretty empty, so we don't have a lot. Yeah. Well, let's see. All right, so I'm going to zero it. Show you how accurate it is. Now I'm going to release. You can see it's coming out 1 gram. See that? Does not take a lot to activate it. Super accurate. All right, so let me take this back off. Now you can leave this on, which I do. I take everything else off. Leave that on. Turn the unit off. And I take my batteries out when I'm done. Also, don't store this in direct heat. Keep it nice and protected. Don't drop it. It is very sensitive to shock, or any kind of heavy drop or shake can damage it. So just be mindful of that. Wipe it down after each use. Pretty nice unit. I previously had one before, but damaged. So, but yeah. All right, guys, I think that covers that. What else? Don't store any refrigerant in these, meaning don't leave them connected. The heat sometimes can cause expansion and actually damage these. In fact, even damage the scale. So disconnect everything when you're done using, so you don't have any complication or anything like that. All right, if you do use this and that, make sure you purge the system before you mix them. All right, so maybe an ounce. Clear the lines before you introduce it back, or have separate ones if you can't do that. All right, that covers that. They do come with a case. Keep everything nice and safe. All right, thanks for watching.